Mataas na ang bilang ng youth unemployment rate sa Europe. Pero ang European Union may solusyon. Pabalitaan tayo ni Jackie Sai.
Hinaharap ng European Union ang tumataas na bilang ng mga kabataang walang trabaho sa kanilang bansa. Ang Europe na may 50 bansa ay tinalagang pangatlo sa Asia at Africa na may pinakamaraming tao sa buong mundo, kung saan 733 milyong tao o 11% ang bilang nila kung ikukumpara sa buong mundo. Kilala rin ang Europe sa pagkakaroon ng maraming immigrants kaya naman dumadami ang pangangailangan ng bansa. Ngunit dahil sa tumataas na bilang ng unemployment rate lalo na sa mga kabataan, kaya't marami na ring taga-Europa ang nakikipagsapalaran sa ibang bansa para makatrabaho. Umaabot na sa mahigit 5 milyon ang bilang ng kabataang walang trabaho sa kanilang bansa. Kaya naman gumagawa ng paraan ng European Union upang mabigyang kasagutan ang problemang ito.
When people have been out of work for a long time, they tend to lose the skills that they have, they lose initiative, and also the social problems like drug and alcohol abuse can make them quite difficult to employ again.
We know that reforms take time and results won't be immediate. So we're also concentrating on launching actions with direct impact. Fighting youth unemployment and helping SMEs access to credit.
We're looking at about €1,000 per person. And the thing that we know about youth unemployment is that when unemployment is high generally, then youth unemployment will be even higher. And so this kind of problem is best sorted out by macroeconomic policy rather than microeconomic tinkering.
Patuloy naman ang negosasyon ng Europe para mapabilang ang bansang Serbia sa European Union at matugunan ang tumataas na unemployment rate sa UE.
This is historic. Let's not forget what happened not so long ago in that part of Europe with one of the most violent wars we saw, and now we will start negotiations with Serbia.
There has been tremendous transformation that's taken place over the past year since the arrival of a new government, which many people thought would probably be a step back. It had a reputation of being nationalist, but in actual a whole range of moves. So most importantly on relations with Kosovo, which has been a very, very tricky subject since Kosovo declared independence in 2008.
Inaasahan naman na sa pamamagitan ng multi-billion-dollar fund mula sa European Union ay magbibigay solusyon sa youth unemployment crisis ng Europa. Para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan, Jackie Sai.